Hi, it's your drawing pal, Koosje here. Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I'm so happy you are here because we get to draw together every week. And today I am not drawing, but I am showing you my sketchbook because I filled another one. So I have a sketchbook tour for you today. I hope you will enjoy it. And if you do enjoy my Draw Tip Tuesday videos, then I think you would also love attending one of my live online mini workshops. I do these monthly and I will share the link below this video so you can join if you like. I'd love to see you there. This is a Hahnemühle watercolor sketchbook. It is A5 in size. It takes watercolor and any mixed media really well. I always start with a page, usually drawing my hands, and I put my contact details in there. And then there are really no rules in my sketchbook. I draw everything and anything around me. And because I draw the things around me, the sketchbook really tells my very personal story. Nobody else could have done these drawings or drawings that are telling the same kind of story because, well, these are personal moments for me. It really is like an illustrated diary or an illustrated journal. And for me, it's also a creative gym because I am training myself to get better. I'm training my skills. I'm exploring and seeing if I can use other muscles or more muscles or be more balanced. I mean, all the things that you do in the gym, you actually also, in a way, can do that in your sketchbook without sweating. And I know that this can kind of be intimidating because I keep filling sketchbook after sketchbook. I think I do like one each month. For some people that's like so overwhelming. And getting started is really hard if you feel overwhelmed. So why don't you just start small? Invite yourself in a gentle way to do something. Draw your cup of coffee, your feet, your afternoon snack. Look in your bag or the glove compartment of the car. Grab something in there and draw that. It can be anything. Don't think about it too hard. Don't hesitate, just draw. It doesn't have to be meaningful to become a meaningful drawing. It feels very random and simple, but as soon as you start drawing, the subject becomes interesting and your mind calms down. You get into the wonderful flow in the moment. And isn't that exactly what you're looking for in the first place? Drawing makes you happy, so don't make it too complicated. Allow yourself some time to play. Gift yourself that time. You deserve it. And before you know it, you have filled a sketchbook page. And then the next day or the day after, you might fill another one. And then after that, you just keep on going. Try making a habit. Try planning that treat, that drawing date with yourself. Plan it in your calendar. Block some time for it. It could be just 15 minutes, not even more. As long as you are intentional about it, then you can create that creative habit. Maybe it can become a daily habit or a weekend habit or whatever fits your calendar and your needs. And that last bit is really important, that it fits your needs. You need this. Your creativity is very important. Don't put it at the bottom of your list because it is really important to draw because it makes you happy. And when you're happy, you're a better person for it. And the rest of the things that you need to do in a day, you might feel like doing them with a little bit more joy. At least that's how it works for me. Well, I hope you like my tour. I'm already pretty far into my next sketchbook, so I will give you a tour from that once I've filled it too. And well, you know what to do. You can subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Then you won't miss out on any of my weekly Draw Tip Tuesdays. And also you can become a patron on my Patreon page. You will get a lot of benefits and perks if you become a Patreon and you are supporting me to keep making these weekly videos, which is really great if you help me. And one more thing, and then I'm letting you go. I'm teaching in Paris this year. Paris Sketchbook is the workshop. You can call it a retreat, and it's a very much of a treat, really, because you get to be an artist in Paris, and that is living the dream, right? I'm doing this with 3 other fantastic artists who will be teaching alongside of me, and really last year we did it. It was a wonderful experience for everyone who joined, and I would really love you to have that experience too. I will add the link below this video, and if you want to join, be quick because tickets are going pretty fast. I mean, it's Paris, right? I'll see you next week. Bye!